Now we're going to do the Y strap, and this is called decompression. We're going to stretch the spine. Okay, so Melissa, hold on to this. I'm going to put this under your head, so just lift your head up for me. Okay, and relax. This will go over your ears. That goes under your chin. Just Velcro it to the sides. And then I'm going to start pulling, and when you feel quite a bit of pulling, like 7 or 8 out of 10, give me a thumbs up. So here we go. Good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And you can lift your head up now. What that does is it decompresses the spine, opens the space between the bones for the nerves, and decompresses the discs.